It's a little depressing to get into your PayPal account and find a big, ugly zero. Nothing appears to be working, no matter how hard you try. However, what you're about to watch will easily make you $400 to $800 every day in PayPal money. And that's exactly what these brief tutorials are intended to assist you with. But once you finish viewing this video, how can you obtain your first PayPal payment? However, first and foremost, a word of warning. This is not a feasible option for everyone. If you don't have any of the following, you shouldn't watch these videos since you won't make any money. To get started, you'll need a digital device such as a smartphone, tablet, iPad, computer, laptop, or any combination of these. Second, you'll need to set aside at least 5 to 10 minutes each day to accomplish the basic PayPal money-making tasks. And third, you'll need to be able to follow clear and easy directions that will be laid out in this video step by step. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. These simple PayPal money-making tactics are absolutely free and accessible to anybody with a PayPal account, anywhere on the planet. However, if you don't have one, I'll show you how to obtain one. To begin, when I go to paypal.com, I just click the sign up button right here to be directed to this page. On sign up for a free PayPal account, go with personal account and click the next button to fill out a very basic form to sign up for a free PayPal account. With that stated, you may start receiving money from all around the world into your PayPal account. Now we'll go on to step 2, and I'd want you to go to betatesting.com and click on this link up here on the top that says join as a beta tester, and it will take you to this page, which you can see here. Early adopters, you may join the beta tester community, says the website, which allows you to check out a range of new technologies. Don't worry, you can get paid to offer feedback on new apps, websites, and products. This is a lot less difficult than what you're currently doing. In a moment, I'll show you an example. First, you'll run through all of the tests that can be done on various new applications, websites, and devices. Keep an eye on the screen because in a few seconds, I'll show you how to do it. After that, you'll finish your assignment, leave comments, and submit bug reports after you've completed the project. Finally, as seen below, you may make money. Most tests pay between $10 and $20, depending on the type of test. Working online allows you to earn significantly more money. Let's go on to the following phase, where I'll demonstrate how to register a free account. Simply input your email address and click the sign up button to be sent to this page as seen above. Answering a few questions to build your profile and start earning money is one quick step toward becoming a better tester. This step is critical, so pay attention and keep watching because I'll teach you precisely how to answer all of these questions, and you'll be able to complete your profile and account in under 5 minutes. To proceed, you'll need to establish a password for your new account. Simply provide your first and last names in the first name field. The second half of this section will focus on the devices that you are utilizing. Now, depending on whether you use an Android phone, an iPhone, a PC, or a laptop, you may obtain different work and receive varying payments. It's also conceivable that the job you end up with will be something completely different. Basically, they'll inquire as to what television model you're now utilizing. Alternatively, if you're using an Android or iPhone, simply enter in the device's name. I now have an Android phone and an iPhone. If you are enjoying the video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Also, down in the comment section, tell me what country you're from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that will work for you and your area. Let's go on to the next question. To determine your age, simply click on the down arrow and choose your age and then your gender. For registration, simply choose your country of origin. As you can see, they're basically accepting folks from all around the world. So now that you've decided on your country, all you have to do is pick your time zone, zip code, and educational background. You may choose from a variety of possibilities right here, and I went with a professional degree. Then for family income, you can choose whatever you currently have. Moving on to the technical experience question, I propose that you choose an average or expert so that we have more options. So let's go on to the following question. What social media platforms do you use? In terms of social media, I favor Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Do you have a job now? They'll ask, so I'll simply say all full-time. And then choose an industry outside of my current job since you can pick whatever field you want right now. With only a few more questions to go, we're almost done. Finally, this section is critical since it allows you to select your interests from a range of categories. You may select any area, but I recommend technology, business, and last but not least, health and fitness. The biggest money will come from these 3 key groups. The remainder is up to you to decide based on your unique circumstances. There are a total of 8 possibilities available, as you can see. Do you have children? Was the last question. So I just chose no and then click the submit registration button, and that was it. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. So let's go on to the next procedure on betatesting.com, which will present you with a list of apps that you may utilize to start making money. Keep in mind that your country of origin and the devices you're using have a big impact on test availability. You could be able to test on a number of apps. For example, you might be able to test this app, Mobile Legends, on Google Play. The next step is to visit the Google Play Store and download these games. Then start playing them to give us feedback on how the app is working for you. As long as you have an internet connection, you may earn anywhere from $20 to $35 for each app you test. This is something you can do on your Android or iPhone. It is correct that we may test on a website and earn money through PayPal. So for now, I'll show you a small example so they can see the whole image and have a clear concept of how it works. Now, if you get a project to test on a website like eBay, you may do so. For example, in the first step, you'll go to the eBay website and click on this link. If you go to the eBay official website, you can see that if you receive this instruction, you may simply follow the next step and the next instruction, such as capturing a screenshot of the eBay website homepage. You can use your phone to capture a screenshot, or if you're using a computer like me, you can take a picture and save it as an image. Please locate the daily deal on eBay and snap a screenshot before going on to step 3. So depending on the projects you can get various directions right now. However, the overall concept is that they want to check whether you can browse through their website to see if you can navigate around it. They aim to ensure that customers have a positive experience and that those who direct them to the website are able to explore and finally locate daily offers. So right now, you may go to eBay and seek the daily deals section, where you'll find all of the actual daily discounts. All you have to do now is click that link to be directed to this website. We can see that they need to utilize our eBay, therefore the next step is to take a snapshot of the part of the daily deals to demonstrate that you can find it. Take 3 screenshots of the eBay website's daily deal area, and it's simple as that. Step 4, find this portal right here and snap a screenshot of the entire product name, which you may highlight and copy. Simply copy the product name and return it to the eBay website, where we will put it into the search field. Simply click the search button and you'll notice that I've located this item successfully right now. Here's the name of the object we're looking for, and that's precisely what we discovered. I'm just going to click on them and it's actually rather simple. Take a screenshot to demonstrate that you found the product. As you can see, it's a really basic and uncomplicated process. Simply follow all of the instructions and stages. Finally, locate the eBay customer service portal and take a screenshot of it. I'll just return to the eBay's website homepage and click on the Help and Contact page. As you can see, I'll go all the way to eBay's customer service site, take a screenshot of the page, and go on to step 5. When opposed to merely testing a simple app, fully examining the website and reading and browsing through different portions of the website might earn you a lot more money. You may receive various projects and be needed to engage in a different app testing based on what country you're from and what devices you're using. Different websites are really rather interesting, new, unique, and engaging concepts. So on betatesting.com, that's how you may make money online utilizing PayPal money. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!